Dear students of Standard 8, welcome to the class of English First Paper. Today, we are going to learn Lesson 3 and 4 from Unit 1. Today, we are going to learn about the ethnic people of Bangladesh. Our first lesson, that is Lesson 3, Our Ethnic Friends Part 1. Ethnic means it is related to the particular race of people. In Bengali, we call them Nrigoshti or Nritattik Janogoshti. Actually, the ethnic people in Bangladesh hold a very important place in the culture of the country. According to geographical location, there are two types of ethnic people live in Bangladesh. They are hilly people and the plainland people. Most of them live in the Chattogram hill tracts, that means in the district of Rangamati, Bandarban and Khagrachari. The groups live in the Chattogram hill tracts are Chakma, Marma, Murang, Tipera, Mru, Chak, Khang, Kumi, Lusai, etc. And they are much like Mongolian people. Some of these groups live in the plainland. They are Shautal, Orao, Mahali, Monda, Malpahari, Malo, etc. Sautals live in Rajshahi, Khasias and Manipuris live in Sylhet, Hajong and Garos live in the district of Mymensingh. The main occupation of the ethnic people is farming, but their method of farming is somewhat different from us. The method they follow in cultivating the land is called Jhum cultivation. For doing this cultivation, at first they clear a piece of land in the forest, and for this they cut some trees and burn them. The burnt soil contains a lot of potassium, which is very beneficial for crops. And for this burning process, Jhum cultivation's another name is barn cultivation or shifting cultivation. Their main crops are rice, maize, sesame, melon, pumpkin, cucumber, cotton, banana, ginger, turmeric, etc. They sow seeds in the month of April after the first rain. And for sowing seeds, they make small holes in the land. And in that hole, a mixture of different crop seeds are placed there. And between the month of July and December, they started harvesting. And the harvesting process is also different from us. As they grow different types of crops in a place, so which crops matured first, they harvested that at first, then the latter one. In this way, turn by turn or in a cyclic order, they harvested different types of crops. Their religions are also different. Some are Hindus, some Christians, and some Buddhist. They have their own mother language also, such as the Garos language is called Ajik, and they have their own alphabets. Nowadays, these people are learning their own language in schools. Next, lesson 4, our ethnic friends, part 2. Here, we will learn some common characteristics of the ethnic people. Actually, they have their own lifestyles. They build their houses on bamboo or wooden platforms that is called machang. And their food habit is somewhat different. Their staple or main food is rice. With rice, they eat vegetables, maize, fish, meat, poultry, etc. But the cooking process is different from us. I think many of you have already tasted whenever you go this type of tourist places. And their kitchen utensils are made of bamboo, wood, and clay. They made these utensils by themselves. Ethnic women weave their own clothes, and their clothes are different from us. Men wear lungi and women wear thamis or sarongs and angis. Thamis and or sarongs are like skirts that we wear, and angis are look like blouse that is worn at the upper part of the body. Hunting and fishing are their favorite pastimes. Pastimes means the work that we do for our entertainment. They are fond of songs, music, dances, theatre, and fairs. This type of program you may have seen in television. Their musical instruments are also different. Bugles. Bugles is a musical instrument shaped like trumpet or musical horn. Bugles are made from buffalo horns. They also use drums, bamboo flutes, etc. Ethnic people are also fond of sports. Their popular sport is wrestling. Other than different kinds of sports they enjoy. Dear students, there is a fill in the blanks in your book, that is exercise C. Clues are given here. Let's solve the fill in the blanks. The tribal people follow their lifestyles. The platform they build their houses on is called machang. Men wear lungi, women weave their own clothes. Their staple food is rice. They are fond of songs, dance, music, and fishing. Wrestling is their favorite sport. About these ethnic people, you will read in your BGS book, chapter number 11. If you want, you can go through the chapter for learning more information about them. And in the textbook, there is exercise D. That means you have to learn a dialogue between a Marma or the ethnic people and a normal Bengali people. You will talk about their dress, food, songs, sports, pastimes in the dialogue. We'll meet soon with a new lesson. Till then, read the text thoroughly and practice the model question. Thank you, everybody.